This is a AI tutor I've set up to assist with teaching, or I guess tutoring, coding and robotics, which is a new subject being introduced in South African schools. What I've done is I've created a data set from the curriculum doc. So for senior phase, which is grades 7, 8, and 9, I've created a text-based data set, which I've then used to create, or I guess instruct the AI tutor to reference the curriculum doc, and then I've used a prompt to guide it on how it should interact with the user, primarily through providing content and answers to questions, and then asking questions of the learner, so to keep that tutoring conversation going back and forth. And you'll see I've given it a very cute name of Nowbot. So yes, I am ready to get started. Okay, so you can see it then provides a bit of content knowledge and then asks me questions. So I'm going to say, what is coding? And then this is all information that it's pulling directly from the curriculum doc, which is the primary data set in this case. Tell me more about Python. As a new subject, I think this type of tutor is really quite helpful for learners who are not familiar with the subject and maybe a bit cautious about asking questions in the classroom. They can then engage directly with this AI tutor. So show me a sample Python code. There you go, the classic hello world. I want to write some code. What do I have to think? What do I have to be aware of? Actually, how do I do it is probably easier. Okay. I want to do a basic Python script. What I wanted to do, I should have actually thought about this before I did this, that displays my name on screen. Okay. All right, so let me try it. Name. Can I try it? Name equals now print hello, comma. Okay, let's just see. I'm assuming that I haven't got this syntax completely right. You know, I've got, will this work? I've got capitals or uppercase letters where they potentially should have been, oh, there we go, case sensitive. So when you assign your name to the variable name, you need to use the same capitalization when referencing it later. Here's the corrected code. So back and forth like this, I think it's an excellent way to learn new content, curriculum content, but then you can also test it out and get activities answered and corrected as you move through the curriculum. You know, I could be working here on screen with a code editor open and testing things out there, and then when I get to an error or a problem, just copying and pasting that code directly in here. Anyway, interesting little experiment, and I think it's got a lot of potential.